Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the CldFlt service failed to start in Windows 11, 10. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand control set 001. Click and expand services, click CldFlt. Open Start, change value data to 2. Second method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type scconfig CldFlt space, start equal to auto. Type sc space, start space, CldFlt. Third method is type cmd in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.